Have you noticed lately that everyday tasks feel harder than they used to? Maybe standing up from a chair takes more effort. Maybe climbing stairs leaves you winded. Or maybe, without realizing it, you've started avoiding certain movements altogether because your body just doesn't respond like it once did. If you're over 60, you're not imagining it, and you're definitely not alone. Thousands of older adults across America are quietly struggling with something called age-related muscle loss, or sarcopenia. It's a slow, invisible decline that makes you feel weaker, more tired, and less confident in your own body. And here's the scariest part. Most people don't even realize it's happening until it's too late. But what if I told you there's one thing, one everyday food, that could help you fight back, and not in a year, not in 6 months, but in just 15 days, you could begin to feel stronger, steadier, and more like yourself again. This isn't about miracle pills, expensive supplements, or complicated diets. It's about feeding your body the exact thing it's been silently asking for, every single day. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what that is. I'll explain how it works, why it's backed by real science, and how you can use it to rebuild lost muscle naturally and safely. But you have to watch all the way through, because near the end of this video, I'm going to share one daily routine, just 5 minutes, that, when paired with this food, can change the way your body moves and feels in ways you may not think possible anymore. So before you forget, hit that subscribe button. Because if you're over 70 and you care about staying strong, independent, and mobile, you don't want to miss this. Let's get started. Let me ask you something. When was the last time you got up from a chair without thinking about it? Or climbed the stairs without pausing halfway to catch your breath? Or lifted a grocery bag without feeling that subtle ache in your arms? If these moments feel more difficult than they used to, you're not imagining things. And it's not just getting older. It's something deeper. Something doctors now call sarcopenia. Sarcopenia is the gradual loss of muscle mass that begins as early as your 50s, but accelerates dramatically after 60. And here's the catch. It doesn't just make you weaker. It affects how you move, how you balance, even how you breathe. Most people don't notice it right away. It starts with little things, like needing to use your hands to push off the couch, or feeling like your legs are just sluggish. But then, those little things pile up. You stop taking longer walks. You stop standing for long periods. You start avoiding stairs. Without realizing it, you're doing less and less, and losing more and more strength. And the scariest part? It's not just your legs or arms. When muscle breaks down, so does your independence. That's what most people miss. It's not just about getting out of a chair. It's about being able to live on your own terms, to drive, to shop, to care for yourself, to stay connected to the world around you. I once heard a woman say, "I didn't feel old until I couldn't carry a laundry basket up the stairs." That moment broke her, not just physically, but emotionally. And maybe you've had your own moment like that. But here's the truth most people don't know. Muscle loss is not a one-way street. Your body still wants to build. It still wants to repair. You just have to give it the right signal and the right fuel. And that's what we're going to talk about next. Because there is one food that research shows can dramatically support muscle regeneration. It's not a supplement. It's not a fancy powder. It's something simple, something natural. And when you eat it consistently, every single day, It can trigger your muscles to come back to life, sometimes in as little as 2 weeks. Stick with me, because in the next section, we'll dive into what that food is, why it works, and how you can easily fit it into your daily routine, even if cooking isn't your thing. But first, if this sounds like something you, or someone you love, is going through, go ahead and hit the like button. It helps more people like you find this video, and it tells me you want more solutions, not just more advice. Let's keep going. So what's the secret? What's the one food that can help rebuild lost muscle in people over 60, naturally, safely, and in just a matter of days? It's not a superfood from the jungle. It's not a lab-made formula. It's something you've seen 1,000 times in the grocery store, maybe even passed by without a second thought. That food is the egg. Yes, the humble, everyday egg. Whole, nutrient-dense, and incredibly powerful, especially for seniors. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Eggs? Really? That's it? But stay with me, because here's what most people don't realize. The egg, especially the yolk, is packed with high-quality protein, vitamin D, choline, and most importantly, an amino acid called leucine. And leucine is the real star when it comes to muscle building after 60. You see, as we age, our body becomes more resistant to muscle growth. We can eat protein, but it doesn't trigger the muscle response the same way it did when we were younger. But leucine, that's the switch. It tells your body, hey, we need to build muscle now. And eggs are one of the richest sources of leucine on the planet. In fact, studies have shown that seniors who eat 2 whole eggs daily, especially within an hour of light movement or breakfast, can significantly improve muscle mass, strength, and balance in just 2 to 3 weeks. And unlike protein powders, which often come with additives and sweeteners, eggs are whole, natural, and easy to prepare. Boiled, scrambled, poached, however you like them. And don't skip the yolk. That's where the vitamin D and choline live, both essential for muscle control, nerve signaling, and even mood regulation. One study out of the University of Connecticut found that older adults who consumed whole eggs as part of a protein-rich breakfast had better balance, more stable walking patterns, and even improved grip strength. So why don't more people talk about this? Because it's not flashy, it's not profitable, but it works, and it's right there, waiting in your fridge. Now, eggs aren't the only food that can help you regain your strength. In the next section, we're going to look at 4 more powerful foods, including 1 bean and 1 fruit, that work with eggs to speed up muscle recovery and help you stay steady on your feet. But before we go there, if you haven't subscribed yet, now is the time. Because everything we talk about from here on out builds on this. And if you miss it, you could miss the combination your body's been waiting for. Let's move on. Now that you know eggs are a powerful foundation for rebuilding muscle after 60, let's take it a step further. Because while eggs kickstart the process, pairing them with the right supporting foods can make the results even stronger and faster. These aren't exotic, hard-to-find ingredients. They're affordable, everyday foods backed by science to support muscle growth, reduce inflammation, and fuel recovery, especially in older adults. Let's break down the top 4 you should add to your daily routine. 1. Black beans. Don't underestimate this small legume. Black beans are rich in plant-based protein, iron, and B vitamins, which are essential for muscle cell repair. They also contain magnesium, which supports muscle relaxation and prevents cramping, something many seniors deal with. Even better, when combined with the leucine in eggs, black beans help your body absorb amino acids more efficiently, leading to faster regeneration of muscle tissue. 2. Salmon, or canned sardines. Fatty fish, like salmon, are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which do more than support your heart. Omega-3s have been shown in multiple clinical studies to boost the muscle-building response to protein intake, especially in older adults. One study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that seniors supplementing with omega-3s had greater increases in thigh muscle size and strength than those who didn't. No fresh salmon? No problem. Canned sardines or mackerel are excellent, budget-friendly alternatives, and they come with a bonus: calcium from the bones. 3. Greek yogurt. Not all dairy is created equal. Greek yogurt is high in casein and whey protein, both of which help repair muscle fibers after physical activity. It's also a great source of calcium, vital for muscle contraction and skeletal strength. Add a handful of blueberries or a sprinkle of flaxseed on top, and you've just created a recovery meal that works while you rest. 4. Spinach. This leafy green isn't just good for your heart, it's also one of the best vegetables for muscle performance. Spinach contains nitrate, which helps open blood vessels and improve circulation to your arms and legs, reducing fatigue and promoting oxygen delivery during movement. It also provides vitamin K, iron, and magnesium, which help fight muscle deterioration and maintain mobility. So imagine this. You start your day with 2 boiled eggs and a bowl of black beans. At lunch, you add some spinach to your plate. For dinner, you enjoy a piece of grilled salmon or sardines. Before bed, a small cup of Greek yogurt. That's not just a meal plan. That's a muscle recovery system, one that works from the inside out. And best of all, it's simple. No calorie counting, no expensive shakes, just real food that your body knows exactly how to use. In the next part, we'll break down how to put all of this together into a simple 15-day routine. It's easy to follow, even if cooking isn't your thing. And it's designed specifically for seniors who want results, but without the stress. But if you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button and leave a comment below. Let me know which of these foods you already eat and which one you're going to try first. Ready to see how it all fits together? Let's go. So now you know the key foods that help rebuild muscle. But how do you turn all this into something that actually fits your day-to-day life? Let's make it simple. Here's a 15-day plan, a gentle but powerful routine that seniors can follow with confidence. No calorie counting, no complicated recipes, just structure, consistency, and the right fuel at the right time. You can follow this for 2 weeks straight, or come back to it anytime your body feels weaker or out of balance. Morning routine. First hour after waking up. Start with 2 whole eggs, boiled, scrambled, or poached, whatever's easiest for you. Eggs are rich in leucine and will activate your muscle-building switch right away. Optional. Add black beans. Half a cup of black beans alongside your eggs gives your body extra protein and magnesium to support nerve and muscle function. Small stretch or gentle movement, 3 to 5 minutes. Simple leg raises, toe taps, or marching in place. This signals your muscles to use the nutrients you just gave them. Midday meal. Lunch. Salmon or sardines. Just 3–4 ounces is enough. Canned options work great and are very affordable. Add a serving of spinach or mixed greens. A small side salad with olive oil helps reduce inflammation and improve circulation. Optional side: sweet potato or quinoa for energy and fiber. Evening routine: Greek yogurt with blueberries. This combo supports overnight muscle repair thanks to slow-digesting protein and antioxidants. Optional: sprinkle with ground flaxseed or walnuts. This gives your body a dose of omega-3s and extra healthy fats. Hydration tips: drink water throughout the day. Dehydration can worsen muscle cramps and reduce energy. Add lemon or a pinch of salt to your water for better absorption. Rest and recovery. Your muscles don't rebuild during workouts. They rebuild while you rest. So in these 15 days, prioritize sleep, 7 to 8 hours a night, light stretching before bed, deep breathing or calming music to reduce stress, which can interfere with recovery. What you can expect by day. 15. Improved leg strength. When standing up or walking. Better balance and posture. Less soreness after activity. More energy in your arms and legs. And maybe most important, a sense that you're getting back in control of your body. But here's the truth. This only works if you work it. One missed day won't ruin your progress. But giving up after 3 days because you're not feeling anything yet, that will. So give your body the full 15 days. You've waited this long. Why not give yourself 2 weeks to feel what's possible again? In the next section, we'll wrap everything up. And I'll leave you with one final reminder. A mindset shift that might just change how you look at aging forever. But if this plan makes sense to you, leave a comment below that says, "I'm starting today. Let's finish strong. You've made it to the end." And that tells me something important. It tells me you care. You care about your strength. You care about your independence. And deep down, you still believe that your body is worth fighting for. And you're right. Because aging isn't about giving up. It's not about sitting quietly and watching your body fade away. It's about adapting, learning, fueling your body with what it truly needs. You now know the truth. Muscle loss after 60 is not inevitable. It can be slowed. It can even be reversed. And it starts with what you put on your plate and what you do with your day. 2 eggs, some black beans, a walk around the room. It doesn't sound like much, but give it 15 days and your body will thank you. Not just with stronger legs or better balance, but with confidence, with freedom, with the quiet return of "I can." So, here's my challenge to you. Start today. Not next Monday, not after the holidays. Today. Eat the eggs, do the movements. Take the first step, literally. And if you found this video helpful, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with a friend or a family member who needs to hear this. You might be the reason they decide to take their health back. And don't forget, hit the subscribe button, because every week we're bringing you real solutions, backed by science, made for people just like you, people who aren't ready to sit down and give up. You've got more life to live. Let's make sure your body is ready for it. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.